Okay, hi everybody. We are starting your video for lesson 221, which is titled What Else Can I Measure? Exploring Area. So last week we were, or not last week, but in chapter 1 we were talking about area, and we are going to continue that conversation. So follow along as I read your introduction. It says, as you work today to explore the concept of area and how to measure it, keep the following questions in mind. They will help guide your conversations with your team. What can we measure? What can we use to measure this, and how we can record it? We are actually going to go to question 222, so if you want to flip your paper over, and it is down at the bottom, so it's going to take me a second to get there, sorry. Okay, 222 is titled Block It. So I'm going to move my screen up a little bit. Block It. Maureen is a graphic designer and wants to measure the area of her desk. The only tools she has are green, blue, red, and yellow pattern blocks. She wonders if it matters which of the blocks she uses. Use pattern blocks to help Maureen by answering the questions below. So you don't have these pattern blocks in front of you. I am going to be able to demonstrate. I have each of the pattern blocks that are listed. You do not, and that's okay. Because if you look in your resource page packet, you will see a resource page that looks like this. Okay, you are going to want to cut those out to help you with this problem. So go ahead and pause the video right now and cut out your figures for your resource page. Okay, so you've unpaused the video, so what you should have done now is have all of those little pieces cut out to help you answer these questions. So we're going to start with part A. If Maureen decides that the green triangle represents 1 unit of area, then what is the area of the blue rhombus, the red trapezoid, and the yellow hexagon? So we're going to figure this out. So we know the green triangle equals 1 unit. So here's my 1 unit. We need to figure out what the area of the blue rhombus is. So if you have a rhombus, and we need to figure out what the area of this is. So to figure out the area, you're going to want to stack your green triangle on top to see how many it takes to fill it up. So you might have to move them a little bit, but there's 1 triangle. Oops. 2 triangles. Okay, so the area of the blue rhombus would equal 2 units of area. Now we have to do the same thing for the red trapezoid. So I'm going to get a red trapezoid up here. And we are still using the green triangles of 1 unit area. So we're going to put 1 green triangle, 2 green triangles, 3 green triangles. So our red trapezoid will be 3 units. Oops. Of area. Now we have 1 more. Now we have to use the area of the yellow hexagon. So I have a yellow hexagon here, and we want to figure out how many green triangles, which are our 1 unit, it will take to fill in. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And our whole yellow hexagon is covered. So our yellow hexagon equals 6 units of area. Okay, if you turn your notes over or turn to the next page, 222 continues on with parts B, C, D, and E. I would like you to try parts B, C, D, and E on your own, and then we will talk about this when you come back into class tomorrow. If you have any questions, you know to email me. Thank you.